What is going on, traders? We got a quick one for you today, but we will be live tonight at 8 p.m. Hit the thing, do the stuff, follow me on the stuff if you want to see things more often. And yes, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I am your engineer guy. So, let's talk about Workhorse. Let's talk about the options, baby. We looked at this last night, and look what's happened since. So we calculated how much the exercised value of all those contracts is. It's $70 million, and that is just for that strike there. You see the volume has increased a lot on these. So there is a lot of very bullish money right now. Look at the puts. The puts are not existent, and the volume for the calls is extraordinary. So I wanted to talk about what we saw today. And later on when we go live, we'll go into the on-demand feature and we'll roll back time. So we'll do a momentum play or two, maybe play the momentum that we saw this morning here and look at the technicals and determine when we want to get out based on that. Also want to touch on risk management and FOMO buying, so stop on by, man. I think it's going to be a good stream. So let's talk about what happened today. When was this? At 8:05 or at 8 a.m. this gets released. So we'll have to read this a little bit closer in stream. There's a lot of different duplicate articles that came out on this. But I think what might have scared investors, and they don't really call that out over here at 8 a.m., but in this one they basically say that they're selling 2 million shares, or they're selling 2 million in new debt to build up cash. They need to increase productivity. And so if we are, right around the corner from potentially getting this big payday, the timing's kind of weird, I guess. So maybe people were freaking out thinking like, oh man, they're generating, money because they're not getting the deal or whatever. I mean, you could speculate all you want. But we can read this and some of these guys on stream and we can decide what we think they mean. I don't have time to read them in depth right now. But the point is, we got some good news, kinda, and it ran down, shot back up, and it was trying to get some momentum, but I think, investors were just searching for that post and it never came out. Also keep in mind the volume, I think, was 59 million today. Their average volume is 21 million, so lots of price action, lots of, buyers and sellers in here. So without the catalyst we're looking for, there's just a lot of volatility in this thing just because of the sheer fact that there's so many people trading this today. So that's all we have time for. We will be live at 8 p.m. Hit the thing, do the stuff. I will catch you there. We'll go over this in more detail. We'll do some on-demand live trading and all the stuff and things that you want on top of that. So hope to see you there. Catch you in the next one.